Hello to all my Revolutional sisters out there, and welcome back to my channel. Today topic it will be how to look pretty without makeup. First, let's define the term makeup. So makeup is mainly in use to change or enhance the way we look, to feel more confident, and also to hide our imperfection. Also, makeup can be termed as a cosmetic device that is used to prettify or to add color to our skin. Growing up, I used to be skeptical with the idea of having a tons of layers of foundation on my skin. Not only was I scared of that, but I was horrified by the fact that a foundation tends to look heavier on the skin, more like a ton of cement which is painted on the wall. A disclaimer, I am not against the wearing of makeup, but I just believe that makeup should be wear at the minimum, especially on a daily basis, or also have makeup-free days where you allow your skin to breathe more freely. Now let's look at all the tips to have you looking pretty with no makeup. But then remember, beauty is something which starts from within. So beauty is an inside job that radiates out into everything that you do. Beauty starts from within. You can wear makeup, you cannot wear makeup, but beauty is something which lies within. Now let's look at the first tip on getting a glowy, a pretty face without the use of makeup. So this will be follow a skincare routine which incorporates cleaning, toning, moisturizing, and exfoliating. It is important to build up a skincare routine that you can follow on a regular basis. The first step it will be to clean using a gentle cleanser twice a day, in the morning and at night, of your preference, to get rid of the dust and the pollution that can cause skin damage and accelerate skin aging. And then the second step, it will be using a toner. A toner helps with tightening up your pores, clean excessive oil, and it also helps in balancing the skin pH. And then the third step, it will be to exfoliate your face at least once or twice a week to get rid of the dead skin cell and reveal your radiant complexion. So on the exfoliation, you can either opt for physical exfoliant or chemical exfoliant, your preference. And then the third step, it will be to use anti-aging serum like vitamin C, and then the fourth step will be using a moisturizer and applying, as I'm emphasizing, applying a sunscreen of your preference. But I prefer using a sunscreen which start from 30 going up. So for the night routine, you can follow the same process, which is cleaning, toning, using anti-aging serum. So at night, you're gonna substitute using vitamin C, which you're gonna be using your retinite, and moisturizing and sealing everything with your favorite facial oil. But I will advise you, if you have any major skin issues, to go and visit your nearest dermatologist or seek help from those who are more qualified with skin care. I'm just here to give you some advices that I have been incorporating in my skincare routine, and they have been working perfectly fine for me. Tip number 2, it will be curling your lashes. Curling your lashes takes about, 10 seconds. but makes a world of differences. When curling your lashes, it lifts up the lash hairs, make the eyes to look wide open. This not only give a definition to your eyes, but it makes you look awake and fresh. And then our tip number 3, it will be brush up your brows with soap. This hack has been the boss. So this actually helps in lifting the entire brows and change the whole face. And an easy way to do this is by taking a clean mascara brush, wrap it into the dampened soap, and then you can use that to brush up your brows. So remember to use a clear soap to avoid having those white residue. And just a little tip for us, those God forgot to bless us with eyebrows hairs. Applying a bit of castor oil every night for about 6 weeks. This will help nourish the growth of your eyebrows hair. Tip number 4, it will be drinking a lot of water daily. You probably had this many times in your breathing present on this earth. It might sound basic, but water plays a major role in giving that glow on your skin. Water flushes out all the toxin from the inside that may cause your skin to appear dull from the outside or tired. It also helps with the clearing of your skin. Let's look at number 5. It will be take pride in your hair. It doesn't matter what type of hair you have. There are so many YouTube videos that you can draw inspiration from without you rubbing the back. And then let's look at tip number 6, which will be attitude. So beauty starts from within, which incorporate being kind, being empathetic, thoughtful, and respectful towards other people while spreading some positive energy. So I know that life is not always kind to us, but you do not need to have to take out your frustration on other people, or even worse, walking around looking like your problems, but instead do this.
What do you do on those days that you don't feel like confident or fearless or powerful like you did out there?
Pretend.
Fake it?
Yeah.
Until we make it?
I mean, why not? It's either that or cry myself to sleep. Who wants to do that? You wake up with puffy eyes the next day. That's a waste of tears.
Tip number 7, it will be wear your smile. I mean, life is just a series of seasons, good and bad trials we get to be exposed to. But after all, it doesn't matter how deep and broken you can be, always and always remember that everything always works out for our good. Why? Because God can never allow bad to have a final say in our lives. Always remember that a bad thing doesn't have a final say in your life. No matter how bad it looks, God always makes a way. So let's look at tip number 8, which will be to accessorize. This is one of the basic statements, but what it does for you, you become out of the ordinary. It takes a simple look to more elegant, clean look that we all strive for. You can add jewelry pieces such as gold earrings, a simple necklace. Please stay away from those junky looking necklaces. I mean, who are you? Are you trying to be a dog? Simplicity leads to elegance. Then tip number 9, it will be smell good. You all have to admit on this. There is something very attractive about a scent of a woman, right? So yeah, the truth is that women who smell beautiful definitely makes head turn instantly. And also, if you've observed, perfumes speak volume about a woman's sense of class and standards. Said our beauty is an inside job that radiates out into everything that you do. So beauty starts from the inside. It starts with you loving and accepting who you are, and you do not need makeup to look pretty or to be more attractive. But then makeup is just a cherry on top to enhance the beautiful features that God has already given you. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any concern or there are any tips that you can help us with, you are more welcome to fill them on the comment box. Until the next video, stay safe and love you all.